So CSS Mastery series. From today onwards, we will see mastering font properties, and today we will see font family in depth. So this is day 19. Hello fellow developers, Krishna Sharma here from Kredict, and welcome back to day 19 of our CSS Mastery series. Today we are taking a deep dive into the interactive world of font properties, beginning with the indispensable font families. If you are passionate about perfecting your typography, you are in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with our daily code adventures. So here we have introduction to font properties. Typography is the heartbeat of design, influencing the personality of our website. Today we are focus is on font families properties, a pivotal tool in shaping the visual identity of our text element. So let's understand the font family first. At its core, the font family property allows us to specify the preferred font choices for text element. It enables us to create a prioritized list of font families name or fall back to generic family names. Let's explore this concept through an example. So let's make a index.html and in the title I will write font families. And in the body I want to give a heading name like Kredict, and in the head I will make a style tag, and here we will give some style to h1. So here h1 font family will change. So let's see how the h1 is being defaulted. So you can see h1 font family is very simple now. So let's change the font family of h1. Let's see the magic. Here I will write font family, and I want to give like anyone. I want to give a Lucida sense, and here we have some font families list. So you can see the text is changed. So if I give some more, like I want to give a font family cursive, so fancy. So cursive is not working on this browser. Let's see another properties. Like if I write font family, and we have some amazing example here. So let's give Geokia. So see, this is defaulted font family. Let's give some more font families. Like we have this impact. So see how this is very basic fonts. So if you want to use more fonts, you can use Google fonts for amazing fonts. Just go to Google font website, and if you want to use any font, like if I want this font, so if I give here, and here I want to give a rubric maps, so just go to select regular 400, and here you will get a import. Just copy this and go to your style tag, and first paste this and use the font family name, this rubric maps. Just copy this and use this. So in the font family, if I write in the single inverted rubric map, then this font I can use. So you can see this font is occurring here. I hope you are getting this. So if I change the color of it, like color is this, so this font is, I hope you are getting this. So here we have some real world example custom font. I hope you are getting the what is custom font. You just use this Google fonts in your websites. Web safe fonts and generic families. Ensuring a consistent user experience across various devices is crucial. We can achieve it by leveraging web safe fonts and generic font family as follow back. So here we have some safe font families. Just copy these font families, and I want to use this font family in my code. So just use this. So here we have this. So let's move to this. We have some web safe font families. So here we have some importance of font stack. Just go and see this, and if you are enthusiastic about honing your skills with the font family property, hit that like button and share your favorite choices in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth coding insights. Tomorrow we will explore font size and wet essentials components of a well-styled text. Stay tuned. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of this font family properties. I am Krishna Sharma from Kredict signing off. Let's continue to revise our typography and make your designs truly stand out.